Hey everyone, I'm David with LC Power Tools. Today we're going to be checking out what comes in the box when you purchase the UDOS 51E. So when you first receive your UDOS 51E, it's going to come in this cardboard box with a sleeve around it here. The sleeve is going to have a lot of the information that you might want to know about the UDOS 51E. On the back here, it has a bunch of QR codes that tell you everything you need to know about operating the UDOS 51E, everything from changing the stroke to what each individual stroke does. It also lists all of the machine specifications on the side over here. If we flip it up to the top here, it's got some other specifications of the machine, obviously, as well as having the machine on the front showing you what's in the box. So let's get to it. So the sleeve here just slides off very easily. We'll set that aside for now. Next is obviously the box that it's shipped in. We open this by sliding the side up and it falls open like that. As you can see, the machine is very securely packaged in here. It doesn't have a lot of room to move around while shipping where it could possibly get damaged. All we need to do is flip this tab up and the box opens up like this. So what we have in here is obviously the owner's manual, operator's manual. We'll set that aside for now. Also the UDOS Aero backing plate with the attachment bolt and Allen key. We'll set that aside also, and we'll go ahead and pull the machine out. So now that we have everything laid out here, you can see that we have the operator's manual, we have the UDOS Aero backing plate with the attachment bolt and Allen key to attach it, and obviously we have the machine. So the machine comes standard with the medium-sized handle here. We have two other options available for purchase on lcpowertools.com. We have a small handle, we also have a large paddle-shaped handle, which gives you a couple variations to let you really tailor the machine to you and how you polish. Moving on here, we have the UDOS Aero backing plate. Now this backing plate is specifically designed for use with the UDOS 51E. It is a 5-inch plate with our patented aero ducting. Now what this aero ducting does is it pressurizes the cavity inside of the backing plate and forces air down through the holes into the pad, thus keeping it cooler. Now one thing to look for when attaching the backing plate to the machine here, it has a specific cutout in the backing plate as well as the drive shaft here, which allows it to only go on one way. So we make sure that that's aligned and we can drop it right on. We'll put our bolt in next and securely fasten it with the provided Allen key. So that's what comes in the box when you order the UDOS 51E. You're now set up and ready to polish.